Okay, guys, so the stock market is down in the United States where I reside. Uh, Now, you may say, okay, well, what does this have to do with quantum computing? Okay, well, I could tie it in with quantum computing a little bit, right? Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA has quantum computing chips, right? Amazon has quantum computing chips, right? Who else has quantum computing chips? Google has an actual quantum computer, not just a chip, but an actual quantum computer, right? All of these big companies. Microsoft has a quantum computing chip as well. And I think Apple does too. I'm not sure. I think Apple does too, but you get the point. The majority of these major companies in the United States, the Magnificent Seven, Google, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, NVIDIA, at least 5 of the 7 bag stocks, they're very into quantum computers, right? So, but I just want to speak about I just wanted to tie that in so nobody can say, oh, well, why are you talking about the stock market? Because it has nothing to do with quantum computers. Well, it does to a degree. It does have something to do with quantum computers, because like I said, most of these companies are invested in quantum computers for their future. But and also hear a lot of people saying that, oh, we're in a recession. There's a crash. Well, we're not in a crash yet. We're not in a recession yet. We're not in a recession or a crash until the S&P 500 until the S&P 500 reaches below 20% drop. And right now, it's only an 18% drop from its top right here. Right? This is this top. We have only dropped about 18 to 19%. Now, once it gets past 20%, yeah, we're in a recession. It's a crash. We're in a crash. So we're not that far off. I mean, very close to a crash and a recession. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video. I know it's not all about quantum computers, but it has a little bit to do with quantum computers. Like I said, I just gave you proof. And let me see. And even some of the smaller quantum computing stocks are dropping, like IonQ. That has dropped, right? IonQ is a quantum computing company. It's a startup. That's a drop after the tariffs. See, it was a drop here after Trump announced his tariffs. It was a Deep Wave. Let's look at Deep Wave. Another quantum computing stock that dropped off. Not as much as the other companies in the stock market, but they have dropped off. So, but like I said, I just want to make this quick video because I know a lot of people are talking about the stock market and how it's crashed and the tariffs and Donald Trump. So I just wanted to make this real quick video on it, talking about it. And of course, I have to tie it in with quantum computers, right? But that's it.